Hey, it's Isaac with Release Cleaner, and we're here today to clean another carpet stain. Now, what's interesting about this stain, it has been here for 5 years. Talk about being embedded. So let's see if Release is tough enough to get it done. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our ready-to-use dilution, which is a 20-to-1 dilution of Release, and we're gonna saturate the entire stained area, really get that wet. Right now, what Release is doing is it's associating itself with the soil, the stain in this carpet. So the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna need to agitate it. So we got our trusty brush here. We're gonna go ahead and get Release right down into the soil so that it can associate itself a lot easier. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take a microfiber cloth and soak it in the water. And you wanna squeeze it out. You wanna leave it a little bit damp, but not completely dripping wet. And we're gonna apply that and get this worked into associate itself with the Release and the soil. You're gonna wanna rinse it out again, and again get it to where it's a little damp, a ton of water. Ideally, you'd have some clean water every single time you're rinsing this. That way you're not putting any dirt back into the carpet. All right, then we're gonna rinse it out again, but this time you wanna squeeze it as hard as you can. Don't want any water left in that rag. And try and soak everything up out of the carpet. And finally, we're gonna take a dry microfiber and try and get all the remaining water out of the carpet. 5 years of stain gone just like that with Release. Check out releasecleaner.com for more information.